Class, ang dami mong alam.
That I know I wouldn't do to be near you every day, every hour, every minute.
Ako testigo sa magaling kumanta ha.
Take my
Hindi alam niya ng batch natin.
lead the way.
Nga, hindi alam ng batch natin na magaling kumanta.
All through your life, be by your side
Ako ang testigos.
till death do us part. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. When I wake up every day, when you lie in my arms, I wonder if I'm dreaming. When I look into your eyes, I just can't believe it's true that my heart belongs to you. Baby, we can have it all. Girl, take my hand and let me lead the way. All through your life, I'll be by your side till death do us part. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. There'll be good times and there'll be bad, but I will stand beside you, woman, all the way. And through the years, as love will put us through, and snow will fall on winter nights, I'll keep you warm inside, yeah, baby, I will. Thank you, thank you. Thanks to
Yes.
my classmate Taylor for doing this, making me something.
Ang galing mo talaga, Rasmit.
Familiar.
Yung mga kanta mo namin, ang kanta mo hindi namin kaya yan. Promise. Hindi kita kaya sabayan. Ibang klase ka.
All through your life, I'll be by your side till death do us part. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. Yeah, baby, I'll be there all through your life. I'll be by your side till death do us part. Baby, I'll be your friend. My love will never end till death do us part. Yeah, baby, I'll be there. Baby, I'll be there all through your life. And I know that you'll be there. Know that you'll be there.
Dong.
Waiting for me.
Dong. Ang kubit sa Tabarko.
Baby, I'll be there. Baby, I'll be
Ang galing ng classmate natin si Mike Legaspi.
And I know you will be there.
Please support
Thank you, thank you.
our vlog. Solya Vlog and Dante Orasa Vlog. Dong, pakisupport na lang sa aming vlog ngayon. Ang content nga namin ngayon, yung mga kanta ni Mike Legaspi. Sana supportaran nyo, no? Salamat!